what comes to your mind when I say Spotify? I am sure you start visualizing all those playlists in your mind, isn't it? But do you know that there's a lot more to it which we often don't know? So today, let me tell you how Spotify is using data science to keep you listening and in turn upscaling its business. We all know that Spotify is a music streaming platform, but do we know its net worth is $25 billion? Well, what's happening behind? And how is data science winning the game? Well, basically, Spotify collects data of its users, such as songs they played the most, the artists they listen to the most, songs they play on loop, etc. And also, it constantly drags over the web looking for blog posts, popular songs, related text, and so on to collect data. And then it analyzes the collected data by using big data analytics. And depending on the result of the analysis, Spotify keeps on adding new features and services and thus keeps scaling. So as we can see, Spotify uses data in the most dynamic ways we can think of to provide multiple features such as Discover Weekly, personalized playlist, Spotify Wrap, and more. So why not find out how big data analytics is helping Spotify? Taking the example of personalized playlist, which Spotify automatically creates for each of its users and thus makes its users keep listening to songs without the hustle of creating their own playlist. So basically what Spotify does here is, it collects a huge amount of data. Approximately 600 gigabytes of data is daily collected by Spotify. And then using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, Spotify tries to find out what kinds of songs a particular user likes and the users with similar taste like. And depending upon it, it creates a personalized playlist for every user. Moreover, if I talk about the famous Discover Weekly feature of Spotify, it has completely been compiled through a machine learning algorithm. The algorithm examines the playlist of other users and finds similarities among tracks played by different users and then generates a fresh personalized playlist for each of its users that aligns with the existing preference of the user. And as you can see, these personalization requires lots of data. Spotify's machine learning algorithms monitor the tracks that the users stream as well as how they generally interact with every track. And based upon it, the machine learning algorithms generate suggestion in Discover Weekly. For example, if a user plays a track but skips it in less than 30 seconds, the machine learning algorithm perceives it as an unenthusiastic reaction, and the song's information is not incorporated while computing playlists. Hence, we can easily see that the buzz around data science is not hype. It's indeed justified. Truly, it's an amazing field that one can explore, and certainly it has numerous utilities these days. Every sector in one way or the other is employing data science. And as we all should definitely acquaint ourselves with it, do subscribe to our channel